So we have a green to clean here. We were out here last Friday and they weren't sure if they wanted us to start the job. Sure enough, we got 4 days of rain, 5 days of rain. It's raining right now. And it's time for us to start the job. Put in 4 jugs of chlorine, put in 10 pounds of cow hypo, 8 ounces of phosphate remover, washed it all down. So it's gonna run 24/7. Let it run. We're gonna come back tomorrow. Typically when you have a green pool, it turns back to blue so quick. Major phosphate issue, which is the dust we saw on the bottom. So you can see all the dead algae in the bottom down here. It's a mixture of dead algae and phosphate remover. The pool being clear now, and it was green on Friday, we know that this baby is going to be clogged up. Get a wet equipment deck, so we have some type of leak somewhere. Okay, for 3 days, from swamp to swim. Pretty incredible. I can't believe in 3 days, this pool has made such a turnaround. Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.